If you ever wondered whether Chinese car accessory replacement parts from Temu can do the job or not, I bought some parts to test them out so I can give you the answer, and this is one of them. This is a Mercedes W203 model key fob, and that is about the 2000 to 2005 model, I think. Now, mine was looking pretty bad, so I sort of had nothing to lose. It's also important to note that this replacement did not come with a manual, so it's almost like they're telling you to look up how to replace this on YouTube, or that if you don't know what you're doing, then just forget about it. But lucky for me, I like trying out things and figuring it out. And with the help of good old YouTube, here is the result and it's replaced. So it worked and the key is working. Also, when I insert it into the ignition, it works just as normal. Now what you lose here is the Mercedes Benz logo, but if you're not a show off, then you'll be just fine. It's not that bad. I have to get used to the more bulgy buttons, but it looks fine and covers the key well, so it's fine as well. So overall, I would say this is a thumbs up for me, especially for the price. So go get you one if your key is looking like a hobo like mine, because you got nothing to lose.